Hi, it's Jeff and Pam with You, Me, and the Sea Travels, and this is a tour of the Ocean Suite 9423 aboard the Carnival Celebration. Let's start with the bathroom. As you can see, there's plenty of shelves with a decent amount of counter space. Since the Celebration is a newer ship, they have updated the look of the flooring. Although the shower has typical features, it does have a sliding glass door. And I did want to point out the light in the bathroom is a soft light acting as a nightlight until you actually flip the switch for a brighter light. Here is the entryway. Notice the neutral tiled floor. Most cabins are carpeted up to the threshold. Here is the desk area with a chair, small fridge, and 4 drawers. There were a couple of outlets, so we didn't need our power bar for this cruise. Opposite of the desk area are the closets. The right closet has pull-out trays and a shelf with the safe. The other closet has cubbies, lots of space to hang clothes, and 2 robes. One of the neat features that we noticed is the closet lights come on when you open the doors. The sleeping quarters has a TV, 2 twin beds that are pushed together to make a king-size bed, light switches on the headboard, small nightstands with reading lights plus USB outlets on both sides. The seating area is separated by a curtain, which is handy if you get up earlier than your cabin mates and you need to get some work done or just watch TV. It has a sofa plus an end table with a lamp, and the base of the lamp has a USB outlet. It also has plenty of storage drawers in case you have an extended cruise or you just simply overpack. Now here comes the exciting part of the room. It's the balcony area. It was an extended balcony, but it wasn't covered, so the above cabins could look down on you. The only negative I had about this balcony is that it was above the bar. Typically your balcony has a direct view of the ocean, but this one looks down on the roof of the bar. That's our Ocean Suite room tour aboard the Carnival Celebration. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like or leave us a comment below. We also ask that you consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos are published. Hey guys, we thank you for watching, and be sure to check out one of these videos, and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.